I will show you how we do it. You pull it like this and you close like this correctly. Hello guys, I'm Bo. Today I will sharing how we plant mint basil. There are three kinds of basil. This is they call mint basil. So go check out how we do it. Let's go. We have to plant the mint seedlings from seeds. Take about 1 month. I will show you. So 1 bed for mint seedling. And we preparation the bed for planting it. Before we plant, we have to watering the bed. So the mint seedling will be more swell and easier for plant into the bed. And we prepare mint seedling. Now my sister, she pull out the seedling. Actually should water the bed before pull out, so the root is come out all. Sister, show. Okay, should have a seed, root. That's how we plant.
ที่เจ้าเฮ้ยไว้หญ้าไปขึ้น
ต้นเวียกมันไม่ค่อยใหญ่พุ่มมันไม่แตกถี่เกินไป We plant like we do the transplanted rice. อีลกิบเต็นเฮียนโจกล่อง
โอ้มาเธอครูต้องโจกลอยอย่างมาเธอครูสงบ
I will show you how we do it. You pull it like this and you close like this correctly. And this mint basil bed we plant 3 days already, so it's setting 3 good now. ต้องอยู่จะเมืองมาคลุมไหมเนอะนี่ start to have grass, so I recommend my sister take rice straw to cover the bed, less the weed. For me, I plan I will use this one, and I dig to make a hole. Then I can plant it easier, like this, because I want to help the mint root grow better too. So you can see how I plant. My sister faster than me. watering
Done
planting Dido come on Dido no
Chim bay chim rê cút rê đời tôi lụa thế này giang rồi bé mua khơi nhà tập ra cái thứ gì đấy riu
and today we prepare the trail for cucumber to climbing up. See, they start to climbing. We cut a wood from jungle. The wood should have the many branch like this. I will show you. Should have many branch like this will be better for the stem of cucumber to climbing. So you know, right, how we plant the mint, basil. If you think this video is helpful and sharing about we plant the mint, please give a thumb up and share to your friends. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for
and also press this bell icon.
I hope to see you next video. Have a evening day. I have to work until it's done. So thank you so much. สวัสดีค่ะ